হাঁটতে পারতাম না অ্যাকচুয়ালি 20 minutes হাঁটা যেখানে
boat ধরতে our guide is waiting.
We'll be going on a private boat. Breadsticks and Buongiorno. Good morning everyone. আজকে আমরা যাচ্ছি to the beach. So today is our second day in Italy and we are doing Italy travel series. So yesterday was Jandip's conference in University of Salerno, which went very good. I have shot all the clips you can see in my previous video in day 1 in Italy. So today is day 2 officially and we will be heading to Positano and Amalfi, and the exciting part is we have booked a private tour, a private ferry to Amalfi and Positano. So of course we did not wish to book that because booking a private ferry for Positano or Amalfi, it costs us 400 euros. Seriously, of course we'll have our private jet, kind of a private ferry, or we'll have welcome drinks, we'll have snorkeling, we can go to snorkeling, but along with that did cost us a lot because group tour আমরা করতে চেয়েছিলাম, but due to insufficient amount of people we couldn't do that group tour, and so hence we have to do this private tour, unfortunately spending all this money. But as this is the first time we are traveling, so we wanted to do this very, very badly. I especially wanted to do this very, very badly. So stay tuned. We didn't have breakfast yet. Let's see what breakfast or what we can have. Stay tuned for the next part and we'll be heading to the beach, and this is what we are wearing. Okay. Okay, so we are inside the taxi. This is how the taxi looks like. So we are going to the meeting point now. আজকে হাঁটতে পারতাম না অ্যাকচুয়ালি 20 minutes হাঁটা যেখানে মোলো মানফ্রেদি পোর্তো, যেখানে there will be this guide, he will be giving us all the details, কোন ফেরি ধরবো কি ধরবো না এইসব ডিটেলস ও দেবে, and then we will be riding onto that ferry. কোনো আমরা আমালফি পোর্টে আমাদেরকে পৌঁছাতে হবে, যে পয়েন্ট অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখনো পৌঁছায়নি, এই 5 minutes এখনো দেখাচ্ছে, জ্যাম আছে একটু।
আমালফি কোস্টের বোট পয়েন্ট, আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি বোট ধরতে। our guide is waiting over there. See the bird, seasonal bird I believe. Lots of boats are over there. Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so good.
Excited?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
No, you're in the right place.
Okay, so language is a very big barrier over here. We
yes.
just couldn't make them understand. Okay, this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's true.
Mm-hmm.
Young people can speak English.
Yes.
Among the Italian people, there are old people. So generally,
Exactly. So my husband is talking to this girl. Okay, so she will be directing us which boat we will be taking. We'll be going on a private boat. There's so many boats over here. so many. God, but the heat is really, really bad.
Breeze.
Okay. Ah, yes, yes.
I suggest you later if you want to go there because it's you feel better the wind.
No, no, we will be here only. It's nice to see this from outside, right?
Yes, yes.
So
and
we'll
there
sit
it's,
here.
You can see everything.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, put those down.
So this is our boat, and now we will be going. So inside there's snacks, coffee, and whatever if you want. This is the inside part of the boat, and this is the outside part of the boat. So these all are, I think, kind of personalized boats, right?
These are the boats which are owned by some guys
Some owner
for their own purposes, and some are for tourism.
for
purpose.
tourist purpose. Okay. Okay, it's nice. We are on the boat
In Amalfi.
in Amalfi. We are going to Amalfi right now, and this is the town. These are the town where we are headed to, and it's so nice, so windy, so beautiful. বলে বোঝাতে পারবো না, এত প্রচন্ড রোদ, বাট হাওয়া এত ঠান্ডা। The water, you see, the water is so blue. The water is so blue over here. Can I hear the sound of the water? Okay. So straight there, if you can see, that is Positano. Okay, so Positano, our guide is claiming that is a very expensive town. So that is Positano. Ah. And this is Capri. This side is Capri. Okay. So this side is Capri and this is Positano. Okay, and they are claiming that is Positano is very overcrowded. You can see by the by the structure of the homes, it is very crowded. And here it is Capri, but we will be visiting Amalfi, and let's see how it goes. Ciao. Positano. So just had some photo sessions over here, and so Positano is very crowded. Beach is also very crowded. Amra finally jabo hocche Amalfi, because Amalfi beaches are more nicer and a little bit not more much crowd. So yes, we'll be heading to Amalfi. Enjoy the views. Given us some fruits, breadsticks, and she's also bringing a juice. With this view.
It's shaped the rock.
Oh.
Nowadays, when it melted, it remained only the inlet.
Mm-hmm.
So it became popular because there's the bridge
Okay.
that is high 30 meters.
Uh-huh.
From that bridge, in the past, they used to organize a championship of diving.
Okay.
So there were people who jumped
Huh.
from the
From that bridge?
Yes,
The-
you see the grey line.
Yeah, yeah,
They had to be on the middle, otherwise they
Uh-huh.
would hit the rocks. So it was huge. It was so important that also the Red Bull sponsor. So people still jump. Sometimes they climb.
Some- this rock?
Rocks, yeah.
Rocks.
So or from the steps over there.
Okay.
They used to have fun. And
Not just for fun, right?
Yeah, for
then
fun.
they swim. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Ah.
And so
Okay.
And so that's why it's called Fiore.
This is called furore. Okay. So nice. So we are entering Amalfi, and this is the whole Amalfi town. Okay, so we are at Amalfi, and you can see the green one, that's the church. So first, as directed by our sweet guide Lucia, we'll go to, oh, there is a beach over here. We will go to the church, have some coffee, and then, oh, there we can have a bath over there. Oh, let's figure out how we can, oh, between these two hotels we can go. Oh, how nice. Okay, have this bags. Oh, how cute are these bags over here. Cha. Everything is in ceramic, by the way. See, this is the town.
These are the places for shopping. There are wines, clothes, pottery work.
Such a nice town, and see, here you will get these fountains. Let's drink some water first. Fountains. You can drink sorbet. This is the church. You can go inside the church.
How is it?
Good. Only the structures are a little bit. তুমি বললি না মনে থাকবে?
ওটা শপটার নাম পানাশা।
পানসা, পানসা।
ওই যে পানসা।
ওই যে পানসা, where? Andrea Panza. Okay, so let's go to Andrea Panza. This is so nice. Oh, this is so cute. Oh God, I love it already. Darun lagche. I don't know how I am looking, by the way. But these seagulls. Okay, let's sit over here. Inside, outside.
Outside also.
Bosch.
Order
Take
inside.
this. We are sitting in this amazing, beautiful restaurant named Pansa, just beside this church. So we are having this cafe latte and this brioche. Taste it, how it is. This is just bread. This is good. But this I need sugar. Okay, we'll go to the church now, but suddenly it started raining a lot. This is the church. Okay, first time we're going inside the church. Let's see if we are allowed to go inside the church or not. Bad weather. So sun is still fine, but rain is not. Oh, it started raining here. আমরা এই চার্চের মধ্যে আধ ঘন্টা দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম। এখন we're back on the streets again. Though there is no sun, but just to protect from the rain, I'm wearing it. So this is the beautiful town of Amalfi. Lots and lots of sorbet, lemon sorbet. These are, oh, we have nice bags. এগুলো সব এখানে। And this beautiful bracelets. We have come here for some lemon sorbet. Let's see. Lemon sorbets are very famous over here. Let's see what kind of lemon sorbet we can have. Yes, this lemon sorbet is huge. Okay, that come on, lage. I'm holding this. Have it. হ্যাঁ, আমি ধরে আছি। It's good. আমাকে দে।
লেমন উইথ আইসক্রিম।
Very good. This lemon sorbet is too good. It's very good. Lemon sorbet is too tangy actually. Okay, so now we'll head back to our boat again. We are going in this boat, from that boat to this boat to this restaurant. Oh my god, it's such a nice experience. So from that boat to this boat, we go to this spot and we go head this to this restaurant, and there is a kind of beach over here. So this is our restaurant just beside the beach. We are sitting here and the food menu looks very expensive. Food menu prochondo expensive, 40 euros, 10 euros. We're just trying to find out if we can get anything around 8 euros, 10 euros. So the food is very expensive. Yeah. Here comes our water, not so sparkling. Okay, let's see what we can go order from here. So this is zucchini and this is octopus with
Octopus?
clams, right?
It's not octopus.
No, they said it's oh, this is not octopus then. This is something I don't know. And this is zucchini. We'll have zucchini. I think it is looking great. Let's see. So this is Naples. The train timings to Naples.